you, YouTube Short. Thank you so much for this privilege. Thank you for counting me, see me worthy to be able to receive gifts. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am so excited. So if you are seeing my face for the first time, hi, welcome to my channel. See, I've come with my African mother attire because this video I'm about to share with you guys, it's because of this my personality that I was able to get it. So if you have been watching my African moms series, African moms relatable content, hey girl, this is because of you. Hi boy, this was possible because of your likes, your views and everything. Yeah, so I know I've been slacking, like I've not been posting. Well, that's because I am cooking something for you guys and it's going to drop from August. Okay, it's going to start coming in from August, say the middle of August, sure, but I'll come back fully in August. So yeah, that's by the way, that's not why we are here. So you guys, I got a gift. I got a gift from YouTube Shorts. Okay, I'm going to do the unboxing for you guys, but I could not just wait. I could not just hold it. Like the thing just let me share, let me upload it, let these people see. If you are not in the YouTube Shorts community, girl, you dey slack, you are slacking, you're not even doing yourself any good. And yeah, you guys, I got this SMS from DHL the other day and I was like, wow, I just knew once that this thing is from YouTube Short. I just knew that. I mean, come on, I don't buy anything from anywhere. Where am I getting anything from DHL? When I saw that message from DHL, hey, you see the speed that I used to open my phone and tried to read the speed I used to read that message. The YouTube Short community, people were not saying, they got SMS, did you get this? And I was not like, wow. So finally, if you see the way I used to drag them whenever we're having a meeting. Hey, you guys should send me a gift though, even if it's viral, even if it's chewing gum, even if it's sweet. Let me just hang it so that people will know that I am recognized by you guys. And finally, guys, I've not seen the gift. They called me today that my package has arrived. I gave them an alternative address, so I'm going to get my package today, you guys. Wait for the unboxing. Just hold on and wait for the unboxing. Me, I am so excited, I cannot wait. Thank you, YouTube Short. Thank you so much for this privilege. Thank you for counting me, see me worthy to be able to receive gifts very much. When the gift arrives, I'll show you guys in a vlog, then I'll do a proper unboxing video for you guys. And yeah, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. If you have a question regarding YouTube Short community, how to join, blah blah blah, just ask on the comment section and yeah, we'll do a separate video for that and answer you guys. Yeah, that's it guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.